How to delete videos in Hailuo AI. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Hailuo AI, log into your account. Then you'll find Create option on left side below Explore and above Subscribe. Click on Create. After you click on Create, you will find all the videos you made earlier as you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, if you scroll down, you'll find all the videos. Below video, you'll find three dots on right side. Click on it and you'll find delete option. Click on delete and confirm it. You can do same with all the videos, and this is how to delete videos in Hailuo AI. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.